Hi everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 819, which is going to be finding the reciprocal of a number. Okay, so what does the word reciprocal mean? Let's just write that down. R-E-C-I-P-R-O-C-A-L. So reciprocal is like turning a number upside down. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few examples. Let's make columns again. That seemed to be good. So let's see. We're going to write the given number, and then our next column will be the reciprocal, and we'll just leave it at that for now. So I'm going to make a line here. That wasn't so neat, but okay. So here's how you do reciprocal. If you have the number 2/3, so a fraction, 2/3. Well, it's like turning a number upside down. So it becomes 3/2. It's what we call flip it. Okay? We're flipping the fraction. So that should be easy enough. That's example 1. Now example 2 is if they give us a number like 2, a whole number, well now how do you flip that upside down? Well, you make it a fraction. So you put 2/1, which is equal to 2. So you're now changing the value of the number. Now we flip it. So now it becomes 1/2. So fractions are actually easier when you're finding the reciprocal. All right, next one. Number 3, -1/4. Okay? Now, the reciprocal of this is going to be -4/1. We're just flipping it. But -4/1 is equal to -4. It's the same thing. So you should write it as -4, or you will see it written as -4. All right, last one, -8. Okay, so again, I want it to be a fraction. That makes it easier. So I put -8/1. Now I can turn it upside down. I can flip it. So it becomes -1/8. If you notice, I don't change the sign, okay? When I'm finding the reciprocal, I do not change the sign. Now, I'm going to do what's called the opposite reciprocal. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, an opposite of a number is this changing the sign. If you have a +5, the opposite of +5 is -5. Okay? If you have a 7, the opposite of 7 is -7. So that's all we have to do now is change the sign. We found the reciprocal. Now the opposite reciprocal would be the reciprocal with a different sign. 3/2. It was positive. It becomes negative. The opposite reciprocal of 1/2 is -1/2. It's just changing the sign. The opposite of the reciprocal -4 is +4. And the opposite of -1/8 is +1/8. So when we talk about reciprocal, we're talking about flipping. When we're talking about opposite reciprocals, we're talking about flipping and changing the sign. Okay? So I'm going to write down a couple of problems for you to do, and then we'll be set to go. Okay, so hit pause, write down, I just see I made this messy. Reciprocal. Okay, write down the problems, hit pause, and then fill in the rest of it, okay? And when you come back, when you hit play again, you'll see the answers. You'll see if you got them all right. I bet you get them all right. Okay, so here are your answers. Check them over. If you're having a problem with this, if you're not sure what's going on here, just come online any morning from 11:30 to 12, although sometimes I forget to go on, or email me and let me know you're having an issue and I will try to help you out. And that's academically or otherwise. If you have anything else going on that you need some help with, just let me know. All right, have a great day, everybody. Miss you.